Hi guys, I'm about to enter the workshop of a company called Indie Green. They make t-shirts, bags, wallets, and what is so special about this company? Well, that's what we're here to find out. So let's see. So let me introduce you to everyone. Ramakant Farte. He paints, he does portraits, and we will get to all that he does later.
This is Nidhi Singh, and we have a small little fun company that makes lots of fun products with some very serious values.
Can I meet the next person?
Mehfooz Khan.
Mehfooz Khan. Alright, so here I am with Team Indie Green, and let me get in Nidhi first. So Nidhi, what is so special about Indie Green?
You buy an Indie Green t-shirt, you get to save the planet because it's eco-friendly. You get to help the artists because every Indie Green product features hand-painted art. You also get to help generate fair trade work employment opportunities for women. So there's a lot of serious values going into a very fun product, you know, and it's very quirky, very in your face, a lot of colors, and people get to, you know, just have a lot of fun but also do a lot of good in the same process.
What I do like about Indie Green is like the fact that it's eco-friendly. I think so. It's organic
cotton, no
correct?
chemicals.
No chemicals used. Secondly, she's also giving employment opportunities to people,
which is fair trade. There's no sweatshop horrors going on. People
Yes.
work very happily in the comfort of wherever they are situated.
Wherever, yeah. In fact,
You know.
महफूज इसलिए आपको ये काम पसंद है क्योंकि आप अपने घर से काम कर सकती हैं और आपको ये पसंद है. कैसा रहा है अभी तक?
अच्छा है क्योंकि मैं मेरे घर से कर सकती हूँ. यहाँ आना है, सिर्फ लेके जाना है, बाकी मुझे सब घर पे इसका करना है. इसलिए मुझे काम पसंद है और दूसरे काम के मुकाबले में ये बहुत सही पड़ता है. रेट भी इसका मुझे सही.
हाँ हाँ, रेट भी अच्छा मिलता है आपको. हाँ, करेक्ट. You were saying earlier something about what they get paid if they
Yes.
were to work in a factory.
Yes, basically Indie Green has a very strong value which is the fair trade value. By being fair trade, we are actually giving them sometimes 4 to 20 times the going market rate.
आपकी दो सहेलियाँ ने भी शुरू कर दिया ये आप कह रही थी पहले ना, या आपकी पड़ोसन?
हाँ, बाजू में ही पड़ोस में ही रहते हैं लेडीज से. वो लोग लेके जाके वो लोग भी करते हैं इसे.
वो भी करते हैं सर, वो भी खुश हैं.
हाँ.
आपने ग्रेजुएट किया था जेजे स्कूल ऑफ आर्ट से?
जेजे स्कूल ऑफ आर्ट से किया है.
हाँ जी.
मैंने वहाँ से MFA किया है.
हाँ जी.
हाँ, और बाद में फिर मतलब पर्सनल लेवल पे ही काम करते गए. कहाँ पे भी
आपने
नौकरी की है.
लोगों के लिए पोर्ट्रेट्स बनाए होंगे, उनके घर जाकर उनके लिए पोर्ट्रेट्स बनाए होंगे.
हाँ,
हाँ जी.
मतलब जो फिल्म पोस्टर का जो एक इम्पैक्ट रहता है वो भले कॉलेज करने के बाद में भी था. तो
हाँ.
इनका काम मुझे इसके लिए पसंद है कि फिल्म पोस्टर का ही
फिल्म पोस्टर का है.
हाँ.
Maybe we should show you some examples. I feel like there are enough people out there
Yeah.
who would want to celebrate the old school style of Bollywood posters which were actually painted at one time.
Yes.
And it's sort of a pop cultural phenomenon that existed and people would like to celebrate it.
Absolutely.
I got in touch with Indie Green because I wanted something else in particular. I didn't know if I could go and get this done at any factory. And Indie Green actually helped me out and did a fabulous job. They have a bag for me here. So she had sewed the bag. Our man here has painted it. And it is, of course, my favorite person on this planet at the moment, Irom Sharmila. And it says fast virtue, which I think is quite witty since she is on a fast under death for the past 11 years.
Huh? Yeah,
There. And this one says iron will. So what? So this is
again, this is
all hands,
yes.
hand stitched.
another interesting concept we're trying to develop, like more work for more people. Instead of doing a machine stitch,
Yeah.
we'll have the whole t-shirt hand stitched.
Yeah.
It's just like a really different thing to do.
Yeah.
And looks pretty cool. And then
Yeah.
there's like another level of people who are now involved and get to have some work opportunities. In fact, Abhay is the first owner of 100% hand stitched,
Hand stitched, hand painted, everything. Not
eco-friendly
printed, sorry.
t-shirts. So yeah,
Completely
you've got it all
eco-friendly.
going. You know?
So what is your website then called?
So the website is called Indie Green. Indie as in
Green.
India because we are totally
And
patriotic.
it's independent.
And it's independent. And green as in we want to save the planet. So,
So it's
indiegreen.co.in.
.co.in.
Yeah, you can never forget it.
indiegreen.co.in. I have been
Have
trying
fun.
to sell Nidhi the idea that maybe if you make it more personal, so if people want their portraits, maybe perhaps they could
Yes.
send in photographs.
If they have a good message to say along with it, you know, for the people,
I
for
have-
the world, for the planet.
Well, like I
Yeah.
want to wear Irom Sharmila on my t-shirt or have her on my bag, so I can place in an order and she does that.
So Abhay won us with a great cause that he wants to support, and we
So
like.
if you have a cause
Yes.
that you want to support and you want to advertise it,
We will definitely do it for you.
as long as there's something
Goodness in it.
good in it, you know, whether it's the environment or for humanitarian purposes, or if you just want a film poster, like what if I wanted Dev D poster on my
Of
t-shirt?
course you can have it. If you're away and you get a Dev D, you
Or
get a Dev D
Zindagi Na
poster.
Milegi Dobara or something.
Absolutely.
The possibilities are many, and I think it's very noble what you're doing. I hope it picks
Thank
up.
you.
I hope people will place in the orders, and I hope you carry on the good work and help more good people like them. Huh? आपको पसंद है? आप खुश हो?
हाँ बहुत
हाँ?
मुझे लग नहीं रहे हैं, लेकिन but है
थोड़ा
actually.
टेंशन तो है।
टेंशन है, थोड़ा नर्वस हो कैमरा की वजह से। आप नर्वस भी हो? आप काफी काम हो लग रहा है। नहीं, thank you so much. Okay. And I hope you guys will place your orders. And if you want more iRome stuff, I'd be more than happy because it would help my cause. So I'll talk to you guys and make some more videos again very soon. Thanks.